Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can personalize the Comet AI web browser to use it for your prompts, searches, and queries. So let us dive into this. All right, guys, you may use the personalization feature here on Comet AI, for example, to give the artificial intelligence of Perplexity AI the command to use, for example, information as a reference from your past conversations and chats, and to use it for reference, for example, for your future conversations to improve the quality of your user experience here, guys. So this is how you can personalize your these references information. What you want to do is navigate to Comet AI, of course, log into your Perplexity account, and before starting your search or prompt here, click into your profile icon in the bottom left and navigate to personalization here. Inside your account settings here under personalization, what you want to do, guys, is, for instance, introduce yourself here, for example, if you'd like to give the artificial intelligence information that might turn out to be useful for future conversations for reference, like, I don't know, like in this example here, I'm a software engineer, or I'm a vegetarian, or I like Manchester City, or whatever. And simply provide information here if you like. Save this information by clicking into that button. You may also enable this feature, for example, for precise location, if you like, for weather forecasts or news about sports, and so on and so forth. And you may also use these options here, for example, for future references and memory. It is currently in the beta mode, but you may customize these settings as well and use, for example, the library of your chats and conversations as reference, as well as saved memories. And you may always customize these saved memories from your chats and conversations by clicking into this button. And after that, simply go through that list and for example, remove memories from that list if you don't want to use it as a reference in the future, guys. So that's basically it. Remember that these memories will be saved automatically by Perplexity AI in your chats and conversations, and later will be used for further references. So guys, that doesn't include, of course, incognito searches here. Bear that in mind. You can switch to the incognito mode here. So that's how it works. That's how you personalize your search experience here, or user experience on Comet AI web browser. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.